Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sportline. We're right outside the customer's house about to deliver this fully customized P100D. Let me introduce you to Project Vampire. What started off as a black Model S, we wanted to go ahead and do something really special for this customer. He really wanted to wrap the car and wasn't sure what color, but wanted to be within that red kind of color tone. So together we chose Satin Vampire Red. It is absolutely awesome in its color daytime versus nighttime. After wrapping the complete exterior, we had to go ahead and get rid of the chrome. So we did what we always do, and that is chrome delete. Using 3M Satin Black film, we wrapped all the exterior chrome trim, we painted the front Tesla T logo, and we also painted the rear Tesla T logo. For most people, doing a complete color change wrap and chrome delete is enough, but not for this customer. He wanted to take it to the next level, and we installed our gloss carbon fiber sports package. Starting off with the lower front apron up underneath the front bumper, center rear lower diffuser, and our most popular carbon fiber wing. And you know what? We did not stop there. We had to, of course, tint the windows using 3M Crystalline film to help reduce interior heat by up to 15 degrees, and also a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays. To finish it all off, we had to change the wheels. The 19-inch slipstream wheels came with this car, and you know those had to go. So we installed our brand new 20-inch TSS wheels finished in matte black, and I think that you will agree this really completed the look for this transformation. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Many videos coming your way. And also, Tesla has brought back the referral program. Please click the link in our bio to go ahead and use our referral code and receive 1,000 miles of free supercharging.